Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making instant 5-minute dosa recipe which does not require soaking of rice, grinding it or even fermenting it. Even we will not be using baking powder, baking soda or even ENO to prepare batter, yet our dosa will come out to be very crispy, very yummy. Also, we will be serving our dosa with a very delicious and different kind of chutney. So do watch the video till the end to know how to make this crispy dosa along with this yummy chutney. Now let's see how to prepare this instant 5-minute dosa recipe. Firstly, we will take 1 cup of rice flour or chawal ka atta. Usually rice flour is very commonly available in the market or even online, but if you do not have rice flour, then you can grind rice in mixer grinder jar to get this fine powder. Into this we will add grated carrot. Next I will add chopped coriander, little more. Also we will be adding chopped onions. There goes salt as per taste. Next we will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira, red chilli powder as per taste. Also we will add a pinch of asfoetida or hing. One can also add chopped green chilli in this batter, but I am making this for my kids, so I am avoiding using it. After that we have to prepare a thin batter, so we will gradually add water and we need to prepare a thin batter. So for 1 cup of rice, approximately 2–2.5 cups of water will go to prepare this thin batter. So friends, this should be the consistency of the batter. It's absolutely thin. And now we'll allow this batter to rest at least for 5 minutes. While our batter is resting, let's prepare chutney which we'll be serving with our dosa. So for this chutney, I'm using 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. Next we'll add 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds or til. Into this goes 1 small piece of fresh coconut. After that we'll add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic along with green chilli. And lastly we'll add salt as per taste. Into this we'll add little water for grinding. And then we'll grind it completely to form chutney. So friends, just look at this. Our chutney is ready. This chutney tastes very different from the usual coconut chutney. So we'll transfer it in a bowl. Into this we'll squeeze in half lemon juice. And we'll give a quick mix. So that's about it. Our chutney is ready. Let's prepare dosa. In order to prepare dosa, we'll heat a non-stick pan. We'll grease it with little oil. Now the tip here is that you have to heat the pan on high flame, and once it is properly heated, then we'll just pour batter like this. We'll not add batter in one go. So we'll just add batter in portions. After this, we'll reduce down the flame a bit and we'll allow the dosa to get crispy from one side. One can drizzle little oil, but it is completely optional. You can just prepare this dosa without oil also on a non-stick pan like this. This is a quick instant dosa. If you are craving for dosa, then you can prepare it in minutes for your kids, for your family. So do try out this recipe. So as you can see here, once the dosa will start to turn crispy from the bottom edge, it will be very easy to flip it over. Friends, you can see here the dosa has left the sides of the pan and it's time to flip it over. Just look at this. It's so simple to flip it. And now we'll cook it from the other side as well. There is no need to add more oil to it. Just cook the dosa on medium flame so that it turns out crispy. Friends, you can see our dosa has turned out so colorful because we have added coriander and carrot here. However, you can add other veggies as well. And just look at this. Our crispy dosa is ready. And here it goes. So likewise we will prepare other dosas as well. And it's time to flip it. So you can see it is so simple to prepare this dosa. So friends, our very crispy dosas are ready, which we have prepared quickly just in 5-10 minutes, and it tastes awesome with this chutney which we have prepared using peanuts, sesame seeds and coconut. Friends, have a closer look at it. The edges are so crispy, so crunchy, and it's quite colorful. This is a quick instant snack, but you can even have these for breakfast. So friends, do give it a try. Friends, as I said earlier, this recipe turns out to be very tasty, very crispy. So do try out this instant dosa recipe along with this yummy flavorful chutney. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.